Have old or unwanted alarms taking up space in Windows Clock? Deleting alarms you no longer need can help keep your alarm list clean and organized. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to delete alarms in Windows Clock in 2026. First, open the Start menu and search for Clock. Select the Windows Clock app to launch it. Once the app opens, select Alarms from the navigation menu. Look through your saved alarms and find the one you no longer need. Check its time, name, and repeat schedule to make sure you've selected the correct alarm before deleting it. Select the alarm to open its settings or options. Depending on your version of Windows Clock, you may see a delete button, a trash icon, or an option to remove the alarm. Click Delete or Remove to permanently delete the alarm. If Windows asks you to confirm the action, confirm that you want to remove it. Yeah, the alarm should then disappear from your saved alarm list. If you have several old alarms, repeat the same process for each one. Remove alarms that you no longer use while keeping important recurring reminders enabled. If you're not sure whether you'll need an alarm again, you don't have to delete it. Instead, turn its switch off to disable it temporarily. This keeps the alarm saved so you can enable it again later. Finally, review your alarm section and make sure the unwanted alarm has been removed. Check that your important alarms are still enabled and scheduled for the correct days, and that's how to delete alarms in Windows Clock in 2026. Removing old alarms keeps your list organized, while disabling an alarm gives you the option to use it again later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.